a great man, but look in the mirror. I see a great man, just look in the mirror.
Everything was fine until this happened. Me and my son are working on the bike right now. Hold on, baby. What are you doing? You need help?
Yeah. Let me help.
Oh, he's trying to put a new lever, I guess. So yesterday I ride out, I got a big ass freaking nail, man. I already threw it in the trash, but it was like this long, literally. I'm taking off the tire. I already took off the bolt. So I used a number, well, it's actually a 7/8. And on this side, I used the number 17. So what I'm doing right now, I took off the chain already. So the next thing to take off, I guess, is the brake caliper. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right with y'all, man. I'm gonna use 2 hands for this real quick. But stay tuned. You working on it, baby?
Yeah.
Sometimes, guys, y'all gotta work with what y'all got, man. You know, I ain't got no fancy tools or nothing, but you know, clothes basket would do the trick. I thought this was gonna be a little bit easier than what I see on YouTube and stuff, but it's a little bit more tricky, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to patch it no more. I think I made a hole, putting the flat, because I don't have the tools to do it. So I think I made a hole, a bigger hole. Hopefully it's small enough to patch, but we'll see, guys. Y'all stay tuned. I got my little helper helping me right now. So basically, guys, I've never done this, but I have changed a bike tire before. Oops. How hard could it be, guys? So I am gonna be doing this with just these. I'm gonna be doing putting the tube on the tire. Where is my tire?
Like that?
Should be easy as 1, 2, 3, guys. If you never done this before, then we're on the same boat. So I'll let you know how this goes. I got a bucket here with soap. I'm gonna put on the side. I'm gonna use these because I used a flathead to take it out, and I noticed I made a bigger gash. So hopefully I don't do that because I only have one of these. We're just gonna kind of be easy on it. So another thing too, I noticed that, oh, this is sharp. I don't have black tape, but black tape would work fine, I think. So if y'all have run into this issue where y'all's rim is kind of sharp, look like all this right here, look, it's already, damn it. I'm gonna have to work on that part. Give me a second, guys. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and put the where you put the air in first. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, and I guess over here with the bead lock set, I am gonna start over here and kind of just try to work my way in there. So guys, bear with me, guys. Like I said, I've never done this before. If you've never done it before, we're on the same page. It is kind of tricky, guys. And you know what? One thing about me, if I don't know how to do something, I'm going to tell you straight up. Hey, I don't know how to do that. But I'll tell you one thing, though. I'm going to learn.
Can you take off the
I don't know, guys. The bead lock part, I don't know. I shouldn't even have put it on there, bro, because the whole tire is on except that part. I don't know if it has to be tighter or what, but I'm going to tighten this, see what happens, guys. But everything looks normal, guys, except that part. So, guys, after a little bit of messing around, I told you right where whatever that lock thing, tire, whatever lock that little thing is. I don't even know what the name is. I just loosened it and look, it's set perfect with the rim. So now I could just go ahead and tighten it a little bit. And guys, all that, you know, and I'm finally done, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. It took a lot of work. Soon we're gonna be changing the sprocket. I don't know if you can see on the sprocket. It just looks like it's just 4 things holding it together. I might go with the bigger sprocket. I don't know, but yeah. So guys, about 2 hours later, we are. Everything seems to be good. Woo! Now I just need to tighten it up. Caliber's good. We should be good to go, guys. What does it look like? It looks like a good tire to me. Guys, that was a pain in the butt. Believe it or not, guys. It's the first time ever changing a tire. Dirt bike tire, should I say. And I know it won't be the last. But the real question is, will it start first kick? Cold. Should we do choke up or choke down? We're gonna do choke down. Gas on. Uh-oh. Let it warm up. And let it warm up for a little bit. Guys, we back in the game. Just like that. Back on the road, man. It was a bit to do, but I mean, got it.